What is going on? And I'm back with a real quick Legacy Builders update. If you're tired of courses and want to be part of an interactive hands-on community, then the Legacy Builder program is it. I want to just go into the community and show you some of the community testimonials and wins, and give a big shout out to Louise Chan. 1 hour ago, 2,700 in an hour while enjoying the start of the weekend with my family. Saturday morning here, and woke up to three $900 things in just minutes apart from each other. Notice ways to start the week. Nice way to start the weekend with family. Man, that's so awesome. Congrats to you, Luis. You can see what this program is doing because it's interactive. You get weekly mentorship from a millionaire, and she's giving you all the sauce, no gatekeeping. If you want to check this out and see how you could be part of these wins, I have the link in the description below. You can click the link, put in your email address, and it'll take you over to the capture page where you can put in your email address and get all the details about the Legacy Builder program. And what I really love about this is you get daily actionable videos about what to do, how to do within our community. We're the number one community in the school platform. And as you can see, we'll go here. Today, 8 hours ago, she did the webinar strategy. So with this, you get a daily video within our 90-day legacy run that tells you how to use the webinar as a strategy. We did have a webinar today. If you want to get access to that webinar, again, go to the link in the description, and I'll send that webinar replay over to you so you can see exactly what this business is and how it can help you grow. Again, that's my segment. To you guys, much success, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Click the link, get the information.